Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker and welcome to another Friday Short. Today we are taking a look at my 90% silver coin chest. The reason we are looking at this today is because I get messages on Instagram, comments on YouTube, all the time, people asking me when they see this, what it is, where I got it, etc. Well, where I got it, I can't exactly tell you because I've had it for a very long time and it is very personal to me. What it is it is a chest that is made of 90% coin silver. So it was actually made of melted dimes, quarters, and half dollars, 1964 and before. And as you can see, it has been damaged just a little bit. It bent here on the edge when I dropped it a long time ago when I was using this on my Saturday streams. And since then, the only thing I use it for is to do images that I post on my Instagram of coins sitting on this bed of Silvershot and the occasional short video where I open it up and reveal the coin inside. So there it is, guys. My 90% silver coin chest. I hope you enjoyed viewing it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.